to show you how you can open the door and get fit. Yes, you can get fit right in your door frame. So hopefully you have a door frame somewhere in your house that you can go to. We're going to be working in between it, behind it, but it's a really great guide to be able to hold on, and hopefully you don't get into trouble if you're putting your hands on the door frame. If you are, just wipe them off when you're done. Okay, so we're going to first thing is, I want you to get yourself behind the frame, get a good width of a stance, and then we're going to alternate these kicks. Do the kicks need to be high? No, it's up to you. Don't let your posture suffer. And how you're holding on, right? If you're not trying to reach up too high, we want to try to keep the tension in the shoulders down. But most importantly here is your connection to the door frame is really connected very well to your core, to the very depth of you, how you're holding on to yourself, how you're connecting back down to the ground, and you're continuing to jive on this movement. Okay, so every time I go down, my heel is not touching. That's just my preference. My heel is not touching. All right, second piece, going from here, you're going to squat, reach your arms through the door, and then coming back up. So the squat is an exhale, exhaling, and then driving back up. Exhale. So relax your toes, coming back to that frame, just kind of like you're just tagging back home base. Inhale, exhaling as you reach. So you're trying to have consistent movement in both sides of your body. In that each of the actions, we're going to go one more here, one more coming up. Okay, I want you to go to the side of the door, hold on, this arm is here, and you're going to swish through as you step a leg back and return. So as little as you need to hold on. So it's just, again, this is just a guide. It's a guide for you of trying to be consistent in your movement and how your breathing is, right? So as you're moving along here, you want to be having that consistent breath. Inhaling as you go back, exhaling as you return. And even if you're not doing that breathing, just breathing, making sure you're not holding your breath. So this is all one-sided. That means we need to move over here. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. So back we go and forward. So again, how you're holding onto the doorway, how you're getting this lunge in. So it may not even be much, right? It may just be here, and that's okay. So seeing what your ability is to use the door as the frame that it is. Okay, so feeling how, again, this holding on connects you back to your trunk, to the very core of you. Two more here. Okay, so now for this next one, you're going to line up in the frame here, lean into that, and then you're alternating lifting your legs. So you're using this to connect to being strong and stable from the middle, being tall. So right now my sacrum is on here, right? The very low part of my back, right above my butt. You're not leaning into the door. So being tall as you do this, just using the frame for some guidance. Being open in the chest. Nice good high lifts, really feeling those knees coming up high. One more time each. And then we're going to alternate this. We're going to take ourselves through the door. So opposite hand, opposite leg, and then the same thing the other way. So every time that you come back, you have the frame to check into. Okay, so remember, opposite hand, opposite leg, and back. You're trying again to take even steps on both the right and the left side. Again, how you're moving, how your posture is for you, how you're being mindful of keeping open through the chest. One more time each way. So one more time here and one more time here. Okay, we're going back to where we were in the beginning. This time though, I want you to lean and you're flicking your heels up. So when you do that, you want to have your knees come back. Your knees are not going forward. It's kind of like you're just flicking something right off your feet. You're alternating this. Again, you're being mindful of where your hands are. They don't need to be up high, but you're leaning forward. So each of these moves is helping to strengthen in your low back, believe it or not. We're going to go into a little bit of a balance next. So keeping this flicking, trying to be consistent in your movement. It's not as fast as you can. Okay, next piece, pick a foot. You're here, we're gonna take the opposite hand. You're reaching up, you're reaching down. You have this to hold on to, up, down. Try not to lean a lot into that door frame. It is a total one-legged strength, which is sometimes harder, but getting a good lifting up, opening up and down. So if that's too high or too low, just change the parameters. You don't need to go so far up. Individualize it. We're gonna go one more here, and then we're gonna get set up for the other side. So getting yourself here, holding on, we're going up here, and we're going down. So building some nice good strength into your knee, building into the coordination, that this possibility that you have of just having some nice good coordination. High to low, changing levels, really good for your brain. Nice good high reach and down. One more time each, one more there, one more there. Okay, a couple more here. Take a good width of the frame. One arm goes forward, one arm goes back. So it looks like this, here and back, here and back. Squatting through, you feel that frame. You can feel that right on the outsides of your feet. We're gonna switch this halfway. And then after our switch, right here, we're done. So here you go. I'm certainly working up a little bit of a sweat. So having a good sense of yourself. You haven't gone anywhere, but you've done a lot within this frame. One more. And then we're just gonna spend 30, 40 seconds just cooling ourselves down. So just relaxing yourself. We really don't need the frame right now, but if you can just lift up one knee at a time, maybe doing a little bit of a turn in through your trunk and through your person, just appreciating that good work that you just did. New to the channel, thank you. Subscribe if you have not. Throw me a like, I'd love it. And then if we just take one arm through, drop it, the other arm through. So the other arm's going back. The frame just makes you have to kind of have a space to have to reach through. Take a nice deep breath, really good work, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.